Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will learn about comments in Python. Please like and subscribe to help the channel. What are comments in Python? Comments in Python are lines of texts in our code that are ignored by the interpreter. They don't affect the code and are merely there to guide programmers. Imagine you want to let other programmers know what your code does. Comments are a great way to do that. There are two types of comments in Python. Number one, the single line comments. They only span within one line. And number two, the multi-line comments. They can span within multiple lines. So how to write a single line comment? To write a single line comment, simply type the hashtag symbol. This will turn anything after the symbol into a comment in the same line. The key word is after. Here I have a simple code. In line 1, I wrote my comment after writing the hashtag symbol. If we run this, our comment is ignored by the console. We can also use this to comment out the entire code. We can also write a comment next to a function. If we run this, we can see that our print function works. It is because the hashtag symbol comments out anything after it in the same line. That's how to write a single line comment. But how about a multi-line comment? To write a multi-line comment, write your text in triple quotation. So we need a triple pair of quotation marks. After this, we can write our comment and span it throughout multiple lines. Here is an example. And boom, our code gets ignored. Two things to take away from the video is that, number one, comments are lines of texts that don't affect the code. They are there to guide and leave messages to programmers. And number two, there are two types of comments, single line and multi-line. Single line comments are written using a hashtag at the front, while multi-line comments are written within a triple pair of quotation marks. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe to help the channel grow.